mo. Nee mo. Nee mo. Nee mo.
Pinkfong Car Town.
Let's wash the car with Pinkfong! Hi friends! Welcome to Pinkfong's Car Wash! Let me introduce you to my cool car wash. When cars come for a bath, they get scrubbed with soapy bubbles here. Bubble, bubble! Then they rinse with cool water. Rinse! Finally, whir! Once they're dry, the car wash is complete. I wonder who will come to the car wash today.
Pinkfong! Pinkfong!
Huh?
Pinkfong, please help me. Oh.
Excavator, what's wrong?
Well, the thing is... Heave ho! Heave ho! Huh? Why is there a rock here? Heave ho! Heave ho! Huh? Whoa! What's going on? Oh! There's so much sticky mud on me, and I can't move. Please help me.
Oh no, I'll help you, Excavator. Boom Chicky Boom Car Wash, begin! Now, let's scrub with a brush to make bubbles. Scrubbing soapy bubbles here and there, la 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 la, having fun, bubbles everywhere. Scrub soapy bubbles with Pinkfong, working as a team to clean. Let's go!
Ow! The bubbles are stinging my eyes. Oh.
I'll rinse you right away. To the next step. Step 2. Let's rinse with water. Rinsing with water, here and there, la 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 la, having fun, rinsing everywhere. Let's get rinsing with Pinkfong, working as a team to clean. Let's go!
All the bubbles are gone.
Now there's one step left. Final step. Let's get you dry. Drying up with air, here and there, la 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 la, having fun, dry everywhere. Let's get drying with Pinkfong, working as a team to clean. All done. Car wash complete.
Nice and clean. Thanks, Pinkfong.
Bye, Excavator!
Pinkfong! Pinkfong!
Phew! What's that smell? Police car? What happened?
Well, the thing is... Catch that thief! Phew! It smells! Oh. I can't see because trash is covering my eyes. And these pesky flies.
Okay, police car. Boom Chicky Boom Car Wash, begin! Let's scrub with a brush to make bubbles. Scrubbing soapy bubbles.
I can see a little.
That's great! To the next step! Let's rinse the bubbles with some water. Rinsing with water, here and there, la 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 la, having fun. Rinsing everywhere. Let's get rinsing with Pinkfong, working as a team to clean. Let's go!
Ah, refreshing.
Now the last step. Let's get you dry. Drying up with air, here and there, la 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 la, having fun. Dry everywhere. Let's get drying with Pinkfong, working as a team to clean. All done.
Car wash complete. I feel so clean.
You need to catch the thief. Hurry, police car.
Oh, you're right. Thanks, Pinkfong.
You're welcome. Now that we washed the police car, shall we go home? Ah! I almost forgot my fancy Pinkfong car. But it's too big to fit in the car wash. Are there any good ideas? Aha! Hoi Poi Pinkfong! Wow! What an amazing car wash! How about we get a little messy before washing the car? Now that we've had some fun, let's get this car nice and clean. Wash complete! Whenever your car gets dirty, you can come find me at the Pinkfong Car Wash. See you next time, friends! Hey guys! Did you like our video? Don't forget to click subscribe! Search for Pinkfong on YouTube.